Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you link the TD Bank to your Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. But first, if you do not already have the application, what we can do is download it. So you can go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone if you've not already. Go into the search bar and search for Cash App. Search for Cash App, find the application and install it. So once you have installed it, now we can go ahead and get started opening it up. You can go ahead and log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in, now we can get started accessing it. This is going to be our homepage where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other options that we can access. And now we can get started with linking our TD Bank. So what do we need to do to link our TD Bank? It's very easy. All we are looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you can click on your profile icon. So by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner, it's going to open up a new drop down menu with all the settings and options that you can access. And guys, one of the settings in the new menu is going to be called linked accounts. So you want to go and scroll down until you find the option that says linked accounts in your settings menu, and from there guys we can go ahead and open it up. So basically guys, by clicking linked accounts is going to enable us to select the bank that we want to add. So you can go and select the TD Bank. So once you have go ahead and select the TD Bank, you can provide all the info, log into your bank, and once you log in successfully, you go ahead and be connected to your account. So your Cash App and your bank are going to be connected and you'll be able to withdraw money, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.